DNR plane is just always flying over us. Doing a little grilling, little mushrooms and onions, venison. We should probably take, oh my God, drinking. Okay, right when I got here this morning, down this way, I heard big snort, a couple snorts, and some stomping. Probably 10 minutes after I got into the stand. I'm really careful about my scent-free, you know, like washing my clothes. My wife helps with that, wash my clothes in the scent-free stuff. If I didn't say that, she would say that, so she helps with that. And then we always use the spray right before we come out as well. Thought I saw something there. But anyway, I got out here and I got up in the stand. It's pretty high up, actually. It's a lot higher than it looks. And right down this way, I heard just a huge deer. I don't know what it was, but it's a big deer. I didn't see it. Other than that, it's been pretty quiet this morning. But it's beautiful. Super beautiful out here. What you're seeing on the screen right now is why I deer hunt. Peaceful, serene, nobody messing with you. Kind of helps you to get your thoughts together and to get out into nature. It just resets you for some reason. I love it. It's not all about the kill, although the meat is nice. But getting out into nature and just getting that reset, pretty awesome. Okay, I can see one laying over there, but I don't have a shot. I know about where it is. I just don't have a shot yet. Oh, there it is. There it is. I can see it. There's more than one. There's more than one over there. I just don't have a shot yet. Give me an opening. Come on. There's two of them, just out of range. It must be a mom and a baby. Just out of range. Welcome back to the channel, everybody. FishBrain Shane here, and I just want to talk to you a little bit, maybe do a little intro here. As you saw, I had some action, and it was 2 deer. It was actually a doe and her fawn. The only time I had a split second of a shot was on the fawn, so I didn't take that shot. But I'm going to keep watching that side hill across from me. I'm glad that you're here to join me. And let's get some deer. What do you think? A little bit of deer hunting? There's the music. Let's go hunting. Let's go hunting. Let's go hunting now. Okay, guys, you saw it. I put a shot on that doe. I'm hoping the first shot was a good shot. I'm gonna go take a look for her here in just a little bit, but hopefully we got a good doe down. I saw 4 of them on the way to the stand this morning. It's been a great morning, and yeah, she just came right across that fence line where I see them come a lot, but I've never seen one do that in the morning. I think the fact that we have all this cut corn just from last night, it's really made a big difference. This was Deadsville just 2 days ago. So let's hope the new gun got it done. I think so, but I'm not sure, dude. Okay, did you see where she went in? Okay. Dude, I had her right there. I think so. Oh, yeah. Yeah, I think I got her then. Because the first shot, she was standing really, really still. She saw me right away. And then, like, I got my gun up. She, like, hopped over to the side and got out in the field in the open. She came across that fence where they come across. I just had texted you and I looked over there and saw something move. I'm like, what the? And she's, like, standing there looking at me. And I had to ease the window open and shit. And she busted me. And then she hopped. Dude, I don't know. I think I did. She hopped pretty hard. Well, it's too bad she ran off like she did. I'm just gonna keep looking about where I think she was. And I think, I'll give it 15 minutes. And I think you could stay in the stand. And I'll just start taking a look. It's time to go take a look. Let's go take a walk. That's the trail she was on right there. That's what she got up there. Initially, I'm seeing no blood. Doesn't mean anything, but it's my initial vision. Here is no blood, no hair, no meat. Blood, right there, you guys. Blood right here, blood right here. Okay, so we definitely have blood. Can you see that? See this right here? It's hard to find. Okay, I found the blood trail, thank goodness. At first, okay, I don't know if you saw it on the video, but that thing came out of just below that tree down there, and there's a little trail down there, and I had all the windows open, like I said, facing out in these fields because I just figured he was gonna come out in the corn, or a deer was gonna come out in the corn. But Brent's helping me film right now. He came up here to help me. Brent and I came today and we surrounded this field because we knew that there was a good chance that they were going to be up here feeding. I have a blind right there, and then Brent was in the blind way over there that I was in last night, the ground blind that we set up. He actually saw one this morning as well. So enough talking. We got some blood to follow, huh? Let's do this. I have lost the blood. Okay, I found it. Right here. All right. So what I'm doing is I'm just laying these down every once in a while when I find blood. So actually, I'm gonna go pick up a couple more of these because if we get to a spot where we need to go back and check, and that happens quite regularly when you're doing this, you want to have a marking of some sort. Some people use like napkins or something like that. I use natural stuff. See what happens. There's some blood. There's some blood. There's blood. Okay. There's blood. It seems to be spraying. Like there's spray. I think you're right. Brent had told me that he saw her running, weird. And she was kind of moving weird, so.
them at Vista Market. Still doing it. So at some point we're going to lose this, and we know that's what you cross. Actually, I think we might find that point. Yeah, there's blood right here. So this is our crossing point right here. So there we go. Let's go across. Let's be ready to shoot if we have to. Lots of blood right here. See this? Blood there. The DNR plane is just always flying over us up here for some reason. This is one here. Right here. Let's keep that over there, so we're crossing right here, okay? Oh, I see a deer. There's a deer laying right there. Yeah, dude.
Let's go.
All right. Enough of that. Yeah. Hey, meat is meat, buddy. Let's go, huh? Yeah. First shot, right where I wanted to hit her, dude. Right where I wanted it. Look at that. I told you where I put that bead.
Dude.
This thing is deadly. It's a little small, but it's not that small. You heard the crash.
Yeah, dude, I told you I heard the crash.
Yeah.
I was right.
All right, well, let's pour it out of here, huh? So this is Dustin. This is his land. He grows the deer and feeds them with his corn. That's why they taste so damn good. Check this thing out. Look at that. And let's look at this. Look at all that, huh? Doing a little grilling, little mushrooms and onions, venison. We should probably take, oh my God, drinking. We should probably take a bite of one of these, huh? Is this something?
That's the good stuff.
All right. Here we go. Mmm. Hell yeah. What do you think? You having it yet? That's good. This seriously is really good. All right. You guys, it's been a fun episode. I'm going to tell you right now. Hold on, I'm going to eat a little bit more. This is the first time I've ever shot a deer directly in the heart that I remember. I've killed a lot of deer. I mean, dozens and dozens and dozens and dozens and dozens of deer. Right, Dustin?
Right.
Tons. Tons, Dustin?
With no scope, right?
With no scope. Dude, you've seen me kill deer with no scope. I no scoped them. That's what the kids say now on the Call of Duty and stuff. No scoped them. So, about 3 days into the hunt, I finally got a doe. Brent and Jack are still going after their does, or maybe even a buck because they have a youth tag. But we are eating some fantastic venison tonight, and I just appreciate you joining me on this episode. Go check me out on Facebook and TikTok. Make sure you subscribe and like the video. And for me and for Dustin and the deer that are out in his fields, FishBrain Shane out.